Hey, what's going on? It's Jeff Carpenter with Ready Light Media. Today I'm going to do a tethered speed test between Capture One Pro and Lightroom. I've been a Lightroom user since the beginning of my career, and I never really found a reason to use Capture One Pro, but I started getting a lot of messages on my Instagram about why I don't use it, so I decided to download the trial and check it out. For this first test, I'm just tethering directly into Lightroom. I've got my lovely wife Shelby behind me. She's gonna help me out. She needs 2 headshots anyway, so she's my victim for today. But we're gonna tether into Lightroom, we're gonna see what the speed's like, and then we're gonna jump over to Capture One to see what the comparison is. For our first test, we just tethered straight into Lightroom. It wasn't actually as slow as I've had it be in the past, so that was kind of surprising. Now I'm going to jump into Capture One and see what the speed difference is like. Okay, so I just got done comparing Lightroom to Capture One in the tether speed test. And even though Lightroom performed a lot faster than I thought it would, Capture One still outperformed it by nearly a full second, which in the grand scheme of things is a lot of time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And definitely go over to Instagram, check me out on there, @ReadyLightMedia. Have a great day.